Welcome to Green Forest Dream, a place that brings the most authentic and closest camping experiences to Vietnam's nature. About us, Green Forest Dream was created with a desire to share wonderful experiences about camping and outdoor life. We believe that every trip is a memorable story. Every night of camping is an unforgettable memory. What you will get: share real-life camping experiences, discover unique camping spots across Vietnam, review camping equipment in detail, guide to basic survival skills, tips and tricks for beginners, simple, delicious outdoor recipes, interesting stories on the journey of discovery. Our commitment: quality, authentic content, share real-life experiences, useful, easy-to-apply information, regularly interact with the community. Connect with us. Subscribe to the channel to not miss new videos. Turn on notifications to receive notifications. Like and comment to share your opinion. Join Facebook group to interact with the community. Contact us author. Email nwinthithao6879@gmail.com. Facebook winthithao68. Let's explore great camping experiences with Uoc Mo Rung Xanh. Uoc Mo Rung Xanh, Camping Vietnam, Cam Tre, Dang Nguai, Outdoor Life, Camping Life. Under the gentle afternoon sunlight filtering through the forest canopy, a young girl in an olive green camping outfit is meticulously preparing a picnic meal. Her black hair is neatly tied behind her neck, a few strands of her sideburns fluttering in the mountain wind. Her skillful hands hold the knife, each precise chop on the fallen dry branches around the campsite. The sound of crack crack resounds regularly, blending with the chirping of birds in the quiet space of the afternoon forest. The branches are quickly collected by the girl into a pile, then the journey of roasting potatoes and boiling water. With meticulousness, she arranges stones into a circle to make a stove, then skillfully arranges small branches into a pyramid, placing pieces of dry pine resin as kindling in the middle. The fire flares up. Small sparks dance in the air, reflecting on her radiant face. Next to the fire, purple sweet potatoes are placed under the charcoal, waiting to be roasted. The shiny stainless steel kettle was placed on a tripod. Steam began to rise, carrying the gentle aroma of mountain tea. The beads of sweat glistening on her forehead did not diminish the satisfied smile on the girl's lips. Her eyes shone with joy and pride as she watched the warm fire burn steadily, the result of her ingenuity and patience. The scene created a beautiful and close-to-nature camping picture, where every activity brings joy and memorable experiences. After roasting sweet potatoes for a snack, she felt hot, so she quickly walked down to the stream. Her black hair was tied up neatly. The stream was crystal clear, flowing over the rocks covered with green moss. The morning sunlight penetrated through the foliage, creating dancing spots of light on the water's surface, making each small ripple sparkle. Under the clear water, the jet-black snails clinging to the rocks and moss were clearly visible. The girl skillfully bent down, her two hands on the water's edge, her sharp eyes following every movement under the stream. Occasionally, her nimble hands reached down into the water, gently removing the snails clinging to the rocks. Every time she caught a snail, a bright smile appeared on her lips, like like a child who had just found a treasure. The plastic basin she carried was gradually filled with snails of all sizes. The sound of flowing water, the chirping of birds on the branches, and the girl's giggles blended together to create the music of the mountains and forests. Occasionally, a few small fish swam around her feet, curiously observing the stranger. The sun rose higher, the water droplets splashed on her body, sparkling like small diamonds. The sweat on her forehead did not diminish the joy in the girl's eyes. Each of her movements was gentle and careful, so as not to cloud the water, not to disrupt the peace of the stream. After more than an hour of patience, she felt that she had enough for dinner in the mountains. The girl gently washed each snail in the clear water. Before leaving, she did not forget to thank the stream for giving her these precious natural gifts. The scene of catching snails by the stream is not only a simple activity of finding food, but also an experience close to nature, creating beautiful and peaceful moments in the middle of the forest. After catching snails, the girl found a quiet stream where the clear water flowed gently over flat rocks, forming a small natural lake, surrounded by dense tree canopies, creating a private and safe space. In her prepared swimsuit, she gently dipped her feet into the cool water. Small ripples of water embraced her feet, taking away all the fatigue after the forest trip. She shivered slightly at the initial coldness of the stream, but quickly adapted. The sunlight filtered through the leaves, creating dancing spots of light on the water's surface, reflecting on her radiant face. Her black hair was loose, blending with the water to create smooth, curving black streaks. The drops of water sparkled on her skin like small diamonds under the sunlight. She slowly immersed herself in the cool water, relaxing and enjoying the feeling of being embraced by nature. Her hands gently drew curves on the water's surface, creating gentle ripples that spread. The sound of trickling water mixed with the chirping of birds, creating a gentle melody of the mountains and forests. Occasionally, she scooped up cool water to wash her face, letting the fresh drops flow down her delicate face. A bright smile never left her lips, her eyes sparkling with joy as she immersed herself in the wild nature. After a period of relaxing in the cool water, she gently stepped onto the shore, the water droplets rippling on her skin, reflecting the sunlight like small pearls. Wrapping a soft cotton towel around her body, she sat on a flat rock by the stream, letting the wind and sunlight gently caress her skin. The moment of bathing in the stream in the middle of nature is not only a way to cleanse the body, but also a wonderful experience to purify the soul, returning to the most peaceful moments of wild nature. Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining Green Forest Dream on today's exciting experience. The beautiful moments from lighting a fire to cooking, catching snails by the stream to bathing in the cool water of the mountains and forests have shown us that camping is not just a simple outdoor activity, but also a way for us to return to nature, enjoy the most peaceful and free moments. Don't forget, click subscribe to watch the latest videos, turn on notifications to not miss daily videos, like and comment to share your feelings. Follow our social media platforms, Facebook Winthiehouse68, video posting schedule, new video every day at 7 p.m., live stream exchange at 8 p.m. every Sunday. Thank you for always supporting Green Forest Dream. See you on the next trips. Mo Rung Xanh, Camping Vietnam, Deng Nguai, Review Camping, Outdoor Life.